Axie Infinity pick up bullish speed over the specific past week, acquiring 269%, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of Axie Infinity really rose by 357% in the past 24 hours in an exceptionally enormous manner. As far as Axs support floor, it for the most part is presently 10.21 in an unpretentious manner. Axs sort of has its kind of next opposition at $11.87 in an unobtrusive manner. 24 February 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time most certainly sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What most certainly is truly transient cost expectation for Axie Infinity, truly is Axs and in every way that really matters, wise interest in an unpretentious way. Axie Infinity support and opposition levels and so forth, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Axs specialized investigation, sort of allowed us especially to discuss the ongoing economic situations, which fundamentally shows that Axie Infinity support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally is very huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1 to $977, 896, 265, 575 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume basically remains at $50, 334, 576, 911. Sort of additional appearance how Axs especially has its truly next obstruction at $11.87 in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is very critical, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 543.17 level after a vertical development of 77%, so Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2 to 987.48 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how 24 February 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on some things facts, what truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Axie Infinity, especially as Axie for the most part wise venture, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, or so they certainly thought. Sol, the local coin of Solana, sort of is up by 2.3 and right now exchanging at $103.77, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, XRP came to $0.55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, which by and large is genuinely huge. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a genuinely descending heading for present moment, certainly further. Appearance how Axie Infinity pick up bullish speed over the fundamentally past week, acquiring 269%, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, and in every practical sense, general quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which certainly shows that Axie Infinity pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 269%, or so they truly thought. Axie Infinity backing and opposition backing. An obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how as far as Axs support floor, it essentially is currently 10.21, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchases in every practical sense become in every way that really matters, all the more truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any and every way that really matters, further in an all things considered significant way. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in a very enormous manner. Following are the help and obstruction levels of Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity execution, the day-to-day graph of Axie Infinity, especially shows that the Axis cost basically has really flooded up with a 357% expansion in beautiful beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how following explicitly are the Help and opposition levels of Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity execution. The by and large everyday outline of Axie Infinity explicitly shows that the Axie cost generally has in every way that really matters, flooded up with a 357% increment in exceptionally beyond 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie Infinity Axs coin generally is remaining at $811 with market capitalization $114,832.17 USD, showing how Axie Infinity backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how as far as Axs support floor, it by and large is presently 10-10.91 in a sort of significant manner. Axs cost changes 269% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume is floating around $61,809,337 USD in an especially significant manner. Axie Infinity Value Examination. Axs cost examination for 24 February 2024 inside an everyday time span especially made sense of underneath, exhibiting how market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1 to 977, 896, 265, 575 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving kind of normal intermingling and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving extremely normal SMA and dramatic moving exceptionally normal MA to sort of break down the future development of the Axie Infinity, which essentially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, which generally is very huge. The Axie Infinity by and large is generally break all its especially upholds levels and things sort of are not looking especially great for the crypto market in every way that really matters. Further appearance how the extremely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $50, 334, 576, 911. Certainly further appearance how Axs truly has its sort of next opposition at $1187 in a genuinely significant manner. Presently, generally bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Axs cost beneath the urgent help level of 10-21, which certainly is genuinely huge. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid in an unobtrusive manner. Axie Infinity financial backers need to fundamentally sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, so which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 to 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77%, so Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and especially is attempting to in every way that really matters break out of the negative